Hi and welcome into my YouTube channel. I have never introduced myself, so I'm gonna do it now. My name is Miss Tora. I'm 26 years old. I live in New York. I'm holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner. I help people lose weight, build muscles, overcome cravings, and balance their hormones. Most of the recipe that I've shared on my program, I share on my ebooks, and also that I share on this YouTube channel are everybody's favorite recipe that I make healthier and easier because I know how hard it is to get the body of our dreams. I know that people think they need to give up on their favorite food or spend hours in the kitchen. That's not true. And on this channel and on my programs, on my ebooks, this is what I'm teaching people. So please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like my videos. All the link for my coachings, my ebooks are available. I also have a free guide where I teach people how to balance a plate. It's a 20-page ebooks where I will teach you when to eat protein, when to eat fat, how much you need to be eating in order to achieve your goal. I hope you guys gonna stay posted and you're gonna like everything that I'll be sharing. You're gonna check off my links, and yeah, this is who I am, this is my mission, and this is what I'm here to do. I'm not gonna talk longer than that, and I'm gonna leave you guys. Bye.